That's very poignant. It's the hope that kills you. Anyway, enjoy it while you can, right? I mean, it's not every year that we get off to a 5-0 start.
Right.
You're right, it's been 40 years.
40 years.
Okay. The rain is going to stop at some point, but not quite yet.
No, we still have some rain cutting through right now. Storms for later. Those are right now back in southwest Ohio. They need to cross the Buckeye State before they make it here into western Pennsylvania. But as it stands, any rain we're getting right now, we don't need. We already set a record rainfall amount for the day. And there's more rain back behind us. Some steadier rains stretch between Uniontown and Waynesburg and southward down towards I-68. Some steady rain up into the ridges of Westmoreland County out towards Somerset. But a flash flood warning remains in effect for eastern Ohio. And this is because of some heavy rain earlier this evening. And that's wrapped up, but that water still needs to work its way down to the lowest spot. Now, on top of that, we have what's called a severe weather outlook that shows us where the strongest storms are anticipated to be. And right now, that severe weather outlook pegs those storms into southwest Ohio. That's where all the ingredients are sort of lined up right now. You have the peak heat of the day, which is where we sit at the moment. That's where the storms are located, the shear for rotation. So that's a spot we're watching. We have several severe thunderstorm warnings and a few tornado warnings associated with that out in the Cincinnati area, basically where Indiana, Kentucky, and Ohio all come together over there out near Cincinnati. That's going to eventually work on towards us, but hopefully it loses some of its steam by the time it makes its way towards western Pennsylvania. But as you can tell, there are storms here associated with this system. And even if they don't push out strong winds or tornadoes, these storms have some hefty rainfall, of which we do not need. So certainly some things that we're watching for very closely with that. But closer to home, we still have some areas of rain and some thunderstorms that we're dealing with. And as the evening continues, we're going to add to these totals. This is just a radar estimation of some of the rainfall amounts, 2 to 3 inches between Wheeling and through Pittsburgh, 1 to 2 inches, Indiana, Westmoreland County, and even out towards Altoona. That's why we have this flood watch for much of the region until 8 a.m. tomorrow. And then what we're going to see added to this is potentially more flood warnings or flash flood warnings once we start flaring up that next batch of thunderstorms. And some of those storms could actually even feature some rotation. So getting closer to about 10 o'clock, that's where we'd likely start to see these storms kicking more so into our area, and they'll move through about midnight. From there, these storms are going to move on. We'll get some passing areas of rain overnight. Some of that rain could be heavy, so the flooding concern obviously is going to carry over into tomorrow morning, and then we need that rain to pretty much work out of the system, and it takes a while. So we're going to have elevated river levels, especially at the point. The Mon Wharf is likely going to take on water, potentially even the North Shore Riverwalk, and that could be underwater even into Friday. So hopefully that can get cleaned up before we get to game time on Friday. But tonight, storms, 48 degrees, more rain tomorrow, 56, but falling throughout the day. And those wet conditions continue for Thursday and Friday, but with the colder temperatures, we're probably going to see some snowflakes trying to mix in there. We dried up for the weekend. Early next week for Eclipse Day, clouds, peaks of sunshine, so not a ton of sun the way things are looking right now, and potentially some passing showers, 64 degrees.